I want to talk about your song Sailing. Thank you for recording it for me. I love the sound that you're capturing with that song, and I especially love your introduction. So I'm going to play the introduction one time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So on your video, I heard that 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, and so I really felt the pulses in 3, 4. Now, what I want you to listen to is line 2. So it's measure 6. There's like a 6 on the second line. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 measures on the first line. Measure 6. So I want you to look at that line, because what I think I heard in your video is that you started playing that line in 3/4 time instead of 4, or in 4/4 time instead of 3/4 time. And this is what I think I heard is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So I think that we're holding that G more than just one beat. So I'm going to play line 2 and line 3, and I want you to tap along with me, okay? I'm going to start in measure 6. 1 and 2 and 3. So did you feel a difference? We're going to do that one more time. Starting in measure 6, here we go. 1, ready, tap. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, now I'm going to ask you, why do you think that this rhythmic passage is tricky, especially in 3/4 time? I want you to look at the title. It's called Sailing. I don't know, I'm sure you've seen the ocean before because you've traveled around the world. And the ocean waves are really big, and when you're sailing, you have to catch the wind for the boat to move forward, or sometimes you have to actually tack zigzagging into the wind to move yourself forward, and you're hitting the waves and you're getting jostled around. So this rhythm is a little off kilter to give that feeling of being on the ocean, being where there's strong wind and riding on the waves. Does that make sense? So I would like you to, I'm gonna grab you real quick. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. And I want you to actually look right in your music. And, okay, so here we are. I'm trying to do this backwards. We're going to write 1 and 2 and 3 and. And that rhythm is the same through the whole song. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. Okay, so I'm going to put the phone back where I had it originally.